Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox not launching. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So there's been a glitch going around for Roblox. Just get stuck while you're trying to load it up and it just won't launch. So I'll show you guys how to fix that. So first things first, if you can't launch it and it's not working, then what you want to do, you want to go to your desktop here and you want to go to your search bar at the bottom and you want to search for remove programs. So once you search for that, it's going to bring you here. You can just search for Roblox out of this list. And here once you find it, you're just going to want to uninstall it real quick. Now once you've uninstalled it, once you do that, you can go back to the browser and then go and play any game that you want. And once you play it for a bit, it'll pop up with this thing saying that you can download it right here. So download and install, and then it'll download the installer. Once that's done, you just want to open it. Now this is where if it gets stuck again, then you're going to want to do this. So I'll show you guys a couple methods to actually get it to launch. So make sure you watch all of them. If one of them don't work, you can try the other ones. If it didn't work, what you want to do? You want to go down to the search bar right here and search for run. When you search for run, click on the app run and it'll show up here. Now you want to put this in right here that I already have %app data %. So go ahead and search for that. And from here you're going to want to find local. Once you're in local, scroll down until you find Roblox search right here. And once you find it, go ahead and click on it. It'll bring to this page. Here you want to look for versions. I want you to find versions. You can click on it and then you want to look for the most updated version. So go ahead and find the most updated version. That's this one right here. Once you find it, you're going to click on it. So if your installation didn't finish all the way, this will make sure that it does. So you can want to go ahead and click on Roblox Player Launcher, not installer or beta, just Roblox Player Launcher. So go ahead and click on that and it'll load for a bit and then it will actually launch it. And as you can see, it says Roblox is successfully installed. But that didn't work. So should remove all the other versions too. That might help, but if that didn't work, you want to go to Microsoft and download Roblox as an app. So you can search for the Microsoft Store real quick and then just pull this up. And then once it's loaded, you can actually download Roblox as an app. As you can see, if you search for Roblox and load for a bit. And as you can see it right there, you can try downloading this and see if this works as well. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox not launching. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.